Guys, welcome back. We are doing more 330X, my favorite helicopter. Here you go, Wes. Okay. Weston, here's Weston today. Thank you for filming. The last flight I did was with my Blade 400 3D, the old flybar helicopter, and Weston scared the absolute crap out of me. Don't scare the crap out of me this time. Okay. It's okay, buddy. He kept stepping forward on me and he blocked my view once, and I really thought I was going to crash once. But that's okay. This one doesn't really care about the wind too much.
Where did it go? I might have lost it. Oh, there it is.
That happens. The GoPro, we have it on wide right now, so hopefully it catches. Hopefully it catches it. Trying to get a nice funnel, but I can't get it to like stabilize. You can do a barrel roll. Should we do a barrel roll?
Yeah.
Mind your way? No. I mean, a little bit you kept stepping forward, but with this helicopter, I feel comfortable. I'm very comfortable with this helicopter, so I'm not worried. It's a little bit wobbly when I come into the wind sideways. The tail is definitely trying to crank for some of that wind action. It's getting a bit wobbly. This thing's a little race car is what it is, little race helicopter. This thing is fast, guys. It really is. And they don't look like it, but Weston's helicopter and this one are running 12 volts of power. It's the same power that goes in your vehicle, guys. 12 volts of power. Wow, look at all that wobble shake. Did you see that?
No.
How are you texting and
I'm trying to see what he sent me.
Okay. Well, that's good. What is it? Is it important?
It's about Minecraft.
Oh. Okay.
Yeah, Minecraft.
That's good. Minecraft is definitely important. Oh yeah, I'm just flying around now. Yeah, it's a bit shaky, guys, but wow, it seems more wobbly today than it did yesterday or the other day. Let's try stunt one. I hope you're getting this on film. You're not even watching the camera.
Yeah.
But that's okay.
Yeah. Oh, I can't see it. I don't know where it went.
Maybe you had it.
Yeah, maybe.
Okay, clear for landing. Over.
Okay.
Okay. Thanks, tower.
Yeah.
I've actually been running this battery pretty hard. I didn't think it was actually shaking this bad the other day, but it's actually got the wobbles pretty good, doesn't it, Weston?
Yeah.
So let me put it down before you get too close. Nice, there you go. Nice! Thanks, man. Yeah. I'm glad you trust me. That was brave of you to walk that close. Yeah. Guys, that was awesome. I love my 330X. I know it's not available anymore, but you can get the 330S now, and I'm sure it's just as awesome. Thanks everybody for watching. Oh, thanks. Thank you, Weston, for filming. And hopefully it's not windy enough now that Weston's gonna fly his, hopefully. Thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe. I'll leave a link for the new 330S and the new NX8 in the description, but they don't make these anymore, so we'll leave a link for the other things. Thanks, guys. Bye.
Bye. Is it this point?